Yeah. So you can see on my screen that the chapter's name is Guten Tag. Yeah, Guten Tag. Yeah, Guten Tag. That is how we say good afternoon in German. So this is the first chapter, and basically in this chapter you will be learning about greetings, which we have done already. You'll be learning about sich vorstellen. This is a part we did already. Ich heiße, ich komme aus, ich wohne. Another part that is in here, to introduce others. This will be learning in the book, from the book, which means if, for example, Ashwin's data is with Samriddhi, so Samriddhi will be able to tell me about Ashwin that, okay, ma'am, his name is Ashwin. He is also a language learning, like he is in our class, and then he is from here, he is from Delhi, he is from anywhere, like that. So you will learn to introduce yourself and your fellow students and your anybody. So you'll be learning introduction of third person. How do you introduce a second or a third person, that you will learn. Okay. Now you will be learning about Salan bis 20. So in the first chapter you would only learn till 20, but the good part is we have done till 100 already. So not a concern again. You will be learning telephone number and email address nennen. Telephone number we did somehow. Like if I tell you a number and if I ask you to write, you can do it. But listening part is a bit difficult right now, which is understood. Email address nennen. How do we understand somebody's email address? What are the, how do we say dot? How do we say at the rate? So this is what we will learn in this chapter. And then when I'll tell you my email address in German, you can note it down in English. So these are the few things that we will learn in this chapter. So let's see. We'll start with the basic vocabulary that we have in the first page of the book. Okay, so we just need to guess the name of that, what this particular picture, what is the name that we have in our language? That is the work here. So the first thing you see here, it's a Russisch. Russisch means a Russian language. So what do you think it is? What do you think it is? In English? Which food?
Bread butter.
Bread.
Yeah, it is bread and butter. Yeah, okay. So in Russisch, we call it Butterbrot. This is the Russian language which we don't understand. So it's a butter bread. Okay. Let's come to the second one. How do we call this? What is this thing in English?
Doctor.
Okay, but doctor is doing what?
Checking a patient.
Checking the patient. So you think that it can be either patient or the patient is ill. So we can say there are three things in the picture: doctor, patient, and some sort of illness. Okay. Then let's see what do we have in number 3. What do you think it is?
Highway.
Highway. Yeah, Rishtish. True, that is an highway. Yeah, you can say a highway or maybe some cars, transportation, something related to transport. Dann sehen wir uns Nummer 4. Nummer 4. Was ist das? What is this?
Hand towels.
Okay. Towel. It can be towel or it can be handkerchief, maybe. Okay. Then, what is this? Of English.
Sausage.
Yeah, it is sausages. Yeah. I don't know if you have heard the name. Ashwin, you might have definitely heard it, or it might have eaten it as well. I don't know. But then it is a sausage. It's some sort of meat starters that we have in India. This is the shape is same. It is made of either meat or chicken. Yeah. So it's a very popular food. One of the most popular food in Germany. Sausages. Okay. What is this? Yeah. What is this? Any idea?
Fries.
Okay, fries. Fine. Fries. Not exactly it is, but then, okay, let's see. Now, what do you think number 7 is? What is Nummer 7 here?
Kindergarten.
It's kindergarten. We have the same word in English as well, which has been taken from German, but we have the same word in English. It's kindergarten or a kindergarten. Yeah. Then number 8.
Suitcase.
Okay, suitcase. And the number 9.
Flask.
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 Okay, it's a bottle or flash, maybe something. Okay, so these were the some different language. Russian, you can see Indonesisch, Italianish, Ungarish, Turkish, Japanish. Then we have English, then we have Bulgarish, and then we have Serbish. That means they are different languages. Russian, Japanese, Turkish, Italianish. Ungarish means Hungary, the language of the Hungary, the people who live in Hungary. That's what Ungarish is. Now let's see what is the German we have here for these. How do I get the German? Okay, this is So these are the German. So you need to understand these. You will be learning the German words for these pictures. So let's see what do we have. Yeah. So the first one. Yeah. We will focus on the pronunciation thing that we already did so that you can somehow pronounce it without my help. What is the first letter? Das. What is the first word? Das.
Hunt.
Again.
Hunt.
Very good. Hand. Took. Hand. That is the pronunciation for hand. We will not call it hand because so hand. And I said ch. So either kha or sha. So here kha. Hand. Took. And hand took is basically your handkerchief or towel. So write down das Handtuch is your handkerchief or towel.